In this short tutorial, I will show you how to open apps in pop-up view on your Samsung device. Pop-up view allows you to use multiple apps at the same time by displaying them in small, resizable windows on your screen. It's a convenient feature for multitasking and keeping important apps within easy reach. To get started, open up any app that you want to use in the pop-up view. After that, tap on these three lines at the bottom left of the screen. Now you'll see all the opened apps on your Samsung device. What you want to do next is tap on the app icon at the top. And then simply tap and select Open in Pop-up View. Now that app is opened as a pop-up, and I can use it however I like. You can also move this around to anywhere on the screen. If you want to, you can change the size of it too. To close the pop-up, simply tap on it, drag it to the bottom, and release it on the Remove option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.